Hey guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, today we're going to do something fun. I've been seeing this video go around about this Dalgona coffee. And I'm going to try it here today. And I'm going to post this video on both my channels, on my craft channel and my beauty channel. What you need is some instant coffee, and I got this Folgers. My son drinks this stuff. I think it's the devil. Always supposed to have ground coffee. And I have this mixing, this measuring cup. I did bring a whisk, even though I'm going to use an electric mixer. I got a spoon here, and I got this little thing to measure with, and I got some hot water in the other room right there. And I have my milk. Right now it's a fairly warm cup, but by the time we're done with this, it may cool down a bit. So we're gonna get started. Okay, as a heads up, this video will get noisy, so I will probably turn the video off and maybe shoot some video in between to see like the beginning, the middle, and the end. But all you need are equal amounts of each. So I got this little thing. I don't know what size, what does it? It just says stainless on it. So I got this. So I'm going to use 2 of these. Equal, like I said, equal amounts of everything. I don't know what, that's my baby. Okay, so I got 2 of these of the coffee. And it may be a tablespoon. I don't know. Where's my sugar? I need 2 of sugars. Let me find it. That ain't it. Here it is. I keep a little bit of sugar in my room in this little thing right here, just in case. I don't really use sugar like that. But I'm glad I got it. I'm gonna use 2 of these, and this is just regular white sugar. I wonder how this tastes with brown sugar. I guess that's getting a little bit too fancy. And the same amount of hot water. Now, I have seen this done with cold water. I've seen it done with hot water. And I've seen it done with just like water out the sink. So, this is our starter here. I'm just going to use this thing to kind of get everything dissolved, get it all started. I should have brought a bowl or a towel or something to put that on. Hold on. I just went and got these things right here. These are what I use to keep my little mat here clean. So let's do that. And here is my mixer, my handheld mixer. I call myself cleaning it, but of course I did not do a good job. I got it right here. And like I said, this is going to get loud because this is a little cheapy one. And you know what the deal is. Let's see. Come on, thing. And as you can tell, I am not prepared for this. This is truly on the fly. Okay. Let's see. I cleaned those off. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna get this started. Like I said, it's gonna be noisy. And I'll be right back. This is what it's looking like after about 30 seconds, 45 seconds. So we're gonna keep going. This is what it's looking like after about a minute. We got the soft peaks. And I think I want mine a little bit stiffer, so I'm going to keep going and see what happens. Okay, this is after about maybe 2 minutes total. And guys, it's looking really good. Look at that. Stick your finger on in that kettle. Taste it. What it tastes like?
Like a fluffy coffee.
It tastes like a fluffy coffee. She said it tastes like a fluffy coffee. And it's fluffy, strong coffee. So, woo!
That's for me too.
Okay, I'm gonna put this here, and we're gonna put this in the milk. I got my milk right here. Oh Lord, y'all, this will put some hair on your chest or something. So we're gonna look at it. It looks can you guys see that? It looks delicious. Now this milk should mellow the strength of the coffee. Now the question is, how much of this do you put in here? Oh my goodness, y'all, this looks so good. Oh my, I'm not even playing. This looks so good. And it's not, what's the word? It's not deflating any. Okay, oh my goodness. That looks delish. Oh my God. Okay, one more. That looks heavenly. Check that out. Oh my goodness. And now I know you're supposed to stir this in. If it'll stir in. I didn't want to overfill mine. I've seen people that overfill theirs. To me, it looks overfilled because it starts to spill out over the glass or whatever they're using. I guess I probably should have taken a picture of it before I started this, huh? Oh my goodness. Let me taste it. Okay, I can't. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me raise you guys a little bit. There we go. All right, cheers, guys. Okay. All it needs is to really get in here and get mixed in. And this is actually not bad, really. I mean, just a change of pace from your normal everyday coffee. I think this is good. I don't normally buy milk. My son bought me this stuff right here. He got it from the store. So I just told him I just want a little small thing, and that's what he got, and I'm not mad. But this is I like this. It actually, to me, kind of has a caramel type flavor. But guys, give this a try. I think it would be worth it. You know who has those little, those little packs that you could get at Dollar Tree or at Family Dollar in the little singles? Try one. If you have those, try those. Those will work. It's still instant coffee. Ooh, okay, guys, that is it for our little fun project today. Ooh, excuse me, and I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Okay, guys, I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime, and I see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, little bugs. Try it with some vanilla, too. That should be the bomb.